మేడం ఒకసారి ఇక్కడ మేడం మ్యామ్ ఒకసారి ఈ కెమెరా మ్యామ్ హియర్ మేడం 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 మ్యామ్ 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 మ్యామ్
నన్ను ఇది లేపకు 2 నిమిషాలు రిజల్వ్ తీసుకుంటాను
మేడం ఒకసారి మేడం
మళ్ళీ లేపు అనేది క్లాస్ది
Manjula and Enu, we are here at Celebrity Secrets and we have the celebrity star couple.
Very beautiful. So all the celebrities laga avvalante it's very difficult because it's a very tasky job for them and they maintain it in that way, but common girls like me and y'all, we have to even enjoy the services because we can't do a yajnam like them. So
No, let me tell you.
No, you will tell us the
common
secrets.
girls also look even
Yeah.
prettier than the celebrities.
Thank you. And
Everybody is beautiful. I think you just want to
So it's like internal beauty, taking care of within anedi. Yes, that's the main thing. But external beauty also, why not? With a little help of a little treatment, which is not too invasive. What do you guys say? Thank you so much, Venkat Garu. Thank you, Madhavi. Thank you, Pinky.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So they are doing beautification, no invasive, no cutting, no Botox, but very healthily you all are doing. Ante kada?
it's a fine art of non-invasive technology.
So it's a fine art of non-invasive technology. So మీరు ఒక యాపిల్ తిన్నట్టు they can put it onto your face only. అంతేనా?
Yeah, organic stem cell therapy.
The organic stem cell therapy, and I think we should be very proud of the work they're doing, and I wish them all the best. And they've been doing 12 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి they've been in this business and doing wonderful job.
Interest, but they don't know where to do. Everyone wants to like a celebrity. So I'm a very common girl from East Godavari district, all the way traveled to Hyderabad. So beauty is always everyone's dream. Everyone looks into the mirror all the time. So కానీ అందరికి భయం how any invasives ఉంటాయా, any botox fillers ఉంటాయా అని. So no, beauty is always a very good thing when it can be done with the fine art of non-invasive technology with stem cell and organic procedures.
And I think beauty treatment is more for yourself. You should make yourself look beautiful and happy from within and from outside.
Absolutely.
That's very important.
Absolutely. First of all, congratulations, Dr. Venkat and Madhavi.
Thank you.
It's an amazing start, especially in Hyderabad. నేను అసలు ఎప్పుడు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడచ్చా? ఓకే ఓకే. సో అసలు మనకి హైదరాబాద్లో ఒక మెడ్ స్పా అనేది నాకైతే ఇంతవరకు తెలియదు. సో ఇట్స్ జస్ట్ అమేజింగ్ అండ్ నాకు చాలా నచ్చింది ఏంటంటే ఇట్స్ ఆర్గానిక్. ఐఎమ్ అ బిగ్ బిలీవర్ అండ్ ఐ ఎండోర్స్.
The world is going towards organic.
Absolutely. అసలుకి కెమికల్స్ అనేది ఇట్స్ సో బ్యాడ్ ఫర్ అవర్ స్కిన్ అండ్ ఆల్ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ సర్జరీస్ అట్లా ఏమీ లేకుండా non-invasive and organic. It's my thing. Thank you so much, Madhavi. Really, when she asked me, like, can you come? I loved because I like to endorse these things, naku
You
organic.
have so many things to open up through you. I will do lot of things.
Oh, thank you.
24 karat gold.
She's committed to in front of all of you. No, but seriously.
Because a lot of secrets, that's why Celebrity Secrets itself is a lot of secrets, because every country has different
I like the
stencils
name of
and-
your.
Yeah.
I know. Do you guys want to know the celebrity secrets? They look so gorgeous. Come here, Madhvi will tell you. No,
Thank
seriously.
you. So there are a
Thanks.
lot of 24 karat gold infusion, enzyme whitening infusions, glutathione stem cell therapies. No, just in
Vinandi,
the
Vinandi.
facial forms. No need to take any injectables. Non-surgical way also we can look very beautiful. So all